Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at home. Okay, let's start today's class. So we all were revising chapter 2 in previous class, in which we had talk about machine. We have learned what is machine. So machines are man-made things and they help us to do different types of work. Okay, means machines man-made things होती हैं जो हमको different मतलब अलग अलग तरह के वर्क को करने में हेल्प करती हैं. Okay, like calculator is used for calculations and juicer is used for making juice of different fruits, and fan, it gives us air. Okay, and all machines have some common features, means उन सब में कुछ जो उनकी विशेषताएं होती हैं वो कॉमन होती हैं. लाइक ऑल मशीन्स वर्क फास्ट, machines make our work easy, and machines save our time, and machines cannot work without humans instructions. They cannot work by their own. Okay, so that's all we have discussed in the previous class, and today we are going to discuss different types of machines. Okay, types of machines means there are some machines which runs on electricity, some machines runs on fuel, and some machines work with human power. So basically there are three types of machines we can say. First is machines runs on electricity, some machines runs on electricity, some machines runs on fuel, and some machines work with human power. Like in first picture we can see one washing machine is there, one mixer grinder is there, and refrigerator is there. So these three machines they need electricity to work. Okay, because अगर electricity नहीं होगी तो these machines will not work. Okay, in second point, machines run on fuel, जिनको work करने के लिए fuel की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. Like airplane and car and other machines like bike, तो उसमें टाइम टू टाइम डीजल पेट्रोल डलवाना पड़ता है. अगर वो नहीं होगा तो दोज मशीन वो वर्क नहीं करेंगे. ओके, सो एंड थर्ड इज़ सम मशीन्स वर्क विथ ह्यूमन पावर, जिनको वर्क करने के लिए ह्यूमन को उनको चलाना पड़ता है. लाइक रिक्शा. ओके, एंड स्विंग मशीन्स जो सिलाई मशीन जैसे सिलाई करते हैं, एंड बाइसिकल. ओके, तो इनको ह्यूमन पावर की ज़रूरत होती है, मीन्स ह्यूमन को इनको ऑपरेट करना पड़ता है अपने एफर्ट डालकर. ओनली देन दीज मशीन्स विल वर्क. Okay, so these all are three types of machines. Okay, similarly a computer system, it's also a machine. Computer system क्या है? Machine है. And which type of machine is this? It's a okay, which type of? Yes, it is an electronic machines which need electricity to run. Means इसको work करने के लिए electricity की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. Okay, a computer can do many things. Okay, using computer we can do many things. Okay, like what we can do using computer? We can play games using computer, we can make drawing using computer. Okay, you can complete your homework, it can help you for doing your work also. Okay, we can use computer for making reports, for making greeting cards. We can use computers. So there are many uses of computer. Okay, now what does a computer do? Means here we are going to talk about some functions or some features of computer. मतलब कंप्यूटर के कुछ विशेष कुछ स्पेशलिटीज़ जो इसको स्पेशल बनाते हैं. लाइक फर्स्ट इज़ अ स्मार्ट मशीन. कंप्यूटर एक स्मार्ट मशीन है. I never make mistake, ये कभी भी मिस्टेक नहीं करता है. मीन्स इट ऑलवेज गिव्स एक्यूरेट रिजल्ट. I never get tired, कभी थकता नहीं है. I can store many things like word, number and picture. Okay, so basically here what you can do, you can store your games or your movies or your pictures in the computer system. You can store a very large amount of information in computer system. बिकॉज माइंड में तो हम इतना सब स्टोर करके लर्न करके नहीं रख सकते ना. सो व्हाट वी कैन डू, हम उसको कंप्यूटर में सेव करके लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए रख सकते हैं. इट वर्क वेरी फास्ट. कंप्यूटर वर्क्स वेरी फास्ट बिकॉज ह्यूमन को वर्क करने में टाइम लगता है, बट कंप्यूटर गिव्स द रिजल्ट वेरी फास्ट. जब तक आप सोचोगे तब तक वो आपको रिजल्ट दे देगा. आई वर्क व्हेन आई गेट ऑर्डर फ्रॉम यू. सो दिस इज़ वी कैन से कि यूज कंप्यूटर सिस्टम इट कैन नॉट वर्क बाय देयर ओन. वो ऑटोमेटिकली खुद से स्टार्ट नहीं हो सकता है और ख़ुद से वो आपको कोई भी वर्क करके नहीं दे सकता है. यू हैव टू गिव द इंस्ट्रक्शंस फर्स्ट. आपको पहले उसको बोलना पड़े, मतलब यू हैव टू गिव इंस्ट्रक्शंस. बोलना नहीं पड़ेगा, आपको उसको पहले इंस्ट्रक्शंस देना पड़ेगा कि यू नीड सम ऑफ नंबर्स और यू वांट टू मेक ड्राइंग और यू वांट टू प्ले गेम्स. तो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू गिव द ऑर्डर और यू हैव टू गिव द इंस्ट्रक्शन. ओके, व्हेन यू विल गिव इंस्ट्रक्शन देन इट विल स्टार्ट वर्किंग. आपके ऑर्डर के अकॉर्डिंग सिस्टम वर्क करेगा. ओके, so that's all from the chapter. Now we have the exercise part which is already done. Okay, once I'm telling you the answer, the exercise with answers. So first is fill in the blanks part. Hints are given here. Mistakes, time, fast and tired. So first the computer saves our, the missing part is T and M. So first is time. Computer saves our time. Second is a computer works very F for fast. Okay, it works very fast. Third is a computer never get T, tired. Okay, a computer never makes M, mistakes. See, hints are given here. Now come to true and false. An airplane is a machine. Okay, it's true. A computer makes mistake. No, it never makes mistake. Machines do not save our time. It is false because machines saves our time. Fourth is washing machine runs on fuel. So it is false. Washing machine runs on electricity. Now multiple choice questions. There 4 options are given. 3 options are given here. You have to choose the correct one and you have to tick here and you have to fill here also. Machines makes our work easy, tough or none of these. So machines makes our work easy. Runs on fuel. Cycle, computer, car. So car runs on fuel. A computer works very fast, slow, low. It works very fast. Option A. A computer runs on fuel, human power, electricity. So computer runs on electricity. Okay. Next part is, this matching part is here. See, some machines are given here. You have to identify the task. Ki why do we use these the things which are associated with these machines. Like first is toaster. So bread slices are used with toaster. Okay. Washing machines. So dirty clothes are used with washing machine. Juicer. So fruits are used with juicer for making juice. CD is used with music system. Okay, here you have write the one word answer. Write the name of a machine. Any name you can write. I have written computer here. You can write name of any other machine. Okay. Name a machine which works with human power. I have written bicycle. You can write rickshaw and you can write sewing machine also. Okay. So I filled bicycle here. Same you can write. Name a machine that runs on fuel. I have written car here. Name a machine that can do many things at a time. It's computer. Okay. So this is the exercise. And those who have not completed yet, so they can complete their work with the help of these pages. Okay. In this page we has a crossword here. Pictures are given. आपको picture identify करना है and you have to fill this crossword. Okay. Like this is the picture of engine. So top to down it's engine. It's the picture of an airplane. So from left to right it's aeroplane. Camera, pencil, truck, okay, chair, mixer, fan, bed. Okay. So I have filled here also. You can take help of these pictures. Tick the machines that are used in our home. जो आपके घर के अंदर यूज़ होते हैं उन मशीन्स को आपको टिक करना है. Like fan, अगर आप यूज़ करते हो तो fan and then washing machine, mixer, sound system, scooter. Okay, and in this last page also, page number 14, crossword is given here with picture, and hence is the picture of a car, orange, mouse, pizza, umbrella, truck, eagle, rainbow. Last one is computer. Okay, so now your chapter 2 is completed. Okay, the revision of chapter 2 is completed. जिसका वर्क नहीं हुआ है, they can take help of these pages for completing your work. Okay, and you can complete your work. Okay, so that's all for today. Take care. Bye.